Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today, we're gonna be making another slime video. Now, this one's gonna go a little weird. So we're gonna put our, we're gonna make it on this thing. I have my cousin here. And, so we're gonna put these on the floor and make it. I know it's gonna be weird, but.
I know it sounds weird, but it's gonna be fine.
Yeah, and we'll show you the after. So, anyways, we have some, first let's start off with the basics. Glue. You can use any glue for this. We're just making regular slime.
We have
Contact solution. A little thing to put our baking soda in. Paint.
And paint brushes.
Well, utensils to mix your slime with.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
And then we're gonna need our containers. Containers.
Doesn't matter the size.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
Depends how much you want to make. But
yeah, I'm gonna make a lot. I just got this one because it was the first thing I found.
Are you sure we should do it on here? Isn't this gonna like fall?
No.
Okay.
I did it before.
Oh. Okay. All right. Let's get started.
Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Okay, so first we're gonna add the glue. We're not adding it on the floor. We're adding it on this.
On our folders.
This is like liquidy.
It is liquidy.
Wait a minute. We should add the baking soda first.
Yes.
So I'm gonna add some baking soda in this, and we're gonna share that.
Wait, but don't we add like something to it? What do you mean? Like water or something?
No.
Oh.
Because after we put, here, I'm just gonna, okay, so I kind of put a lot in here because we have to share it. Okay, so now we're gonna pour as much glue as we want. Now this glue is like kind of watery, so I don't think I want a lot. That's a lot. Here.
Pass on the glue now.
So now, okay.
Alright, perfectamundo.
That was a lot.
Here, I'll just
add some more in there.
Yeah.
There we go. I put a lot, so mine's is gonna probably come out a little bit hard. Okay, so now we're just gonna take our paintbrush,
mix,
gonna show you it, and we mix. Mine's is instant slime.
Same.
Instant slime, like
wow.
Look at this. So instant slime, be like look at this. This is instant slime, guys. So now, sorry about that background noise. It's the music upstairs my mom's playing and my hamster. And if you want to know what my hamster looks like, I have a video on that.
She'll put it in the description box below.
Yep. She already knows the drill.
Yes. Alright, so what do we do next?
So now we put the contact solution in.
Alright, contact solution.
Gosh,
doesn't matter the brand. You should get cheapy.
No, the cheap doesn't work.
This is the cheapy. I mean, well, this is the Walmart brand.
Yeah, the Walmart brand works better
perfectly
than,
fine.
Yeah,
and they're cheap.
And here, that one doesn't have any in it. I don't even know why I broke that one out.
Oh.
Just put that in there.
All right, look at this. It's not even.
Oh. I think I put too much baking soda, so mine's is gonna turn out hard.
Yeah, mine's is like, no, it's weird. Still.
This is like,
I don't know. I'm gonna add a little bit more baking soda.
Okay. Time to color it. Well, when you're done. I'll color it when you're done.
Okay.
This is like right in the way.
Oh, crap.
I did not know that I was gonna do that. Yours is so good. Mine's is disgusting.
Mine's, well, kind of feels weird.
Don't mind that.
Mm. I recommend you to use plates for this, but you can use folder as last minute type of thing, you know.
Yeah, because this is kind of like a last minute idea.
Yeah.
No, I don't want mine's black.
See, like what? Well, mine's gonna get black, but
Got
not
some
really.
black streaks in it. Streaks.
Look at this.
Those streaks.
Get it? Streaks from Snapchat.
Yes. Oh, guys, I have Snapchat, so go follow me on Snapchat.
And add me too, guys.
Yes.
We'll put it in the
Description down below.
Yes.
So time to color, even though my slime is horrible.
Wait, I'm gonna add a little bit more content.
Oh no. Mine needs more lotion, to be honest.
Oh yeah, lotion. Oh no, this feels good. It actually feels way better. You can add. Mine was actually like yours. I just added a little bit. You just gotta add a little bit at a time.
Okay, anyways. I'm just gonna color it because, you know, I'm tired of this.
Oh my god.
I'll probably just make a better... Guys, look at this. It looks disgusting. So what color should I do?
I am going to do blue.
I'm just gonna do yellow.
Okay.
You know.
'Cause why not? You know, man.
Oh my gosh, it looks like mustard. I hate mustard.
Mustard's bomb. Do you like mustard? Honey mustard? Yum.
Dijon mustard?
Ew.
Yum.
You like that?
Yeah.
Fancy, fancy.
Oh my god. The what? I'm gonna get this all over my hands. Good job. Good job, me. I love myself. I actually do. But
Psych, you thought. Just kidding.
okay, yeah, this came out horrible.
Look at this.
So we're gonna do another one.
We're gonna do a way better video.
No, we're gonna do like a better one in this
Oh.
video. We'll probably do.
Wait, you know what I brought the black mask. So we could do it when we get out the shower. Cause I need to wash my hair.
So we've got.
Alright, you know what? Look at this. It's like lungs.
This is disgusting. So
You know, we're gonna go wash our hands.
actually, we'll do that after. Give me this disgustingness. We're gonna put the disgustingness
In that, just put it in there for now.
somewhere.
You know that could still.
Put it. Mix it together.
Put it in here for now.
Slime smoothie. So satisfying. This looks disgusting. Look at
Oh,
it.
it's turning green. Great. Like a big booger.
Ew. Oh, now that you mentioned that, it feels so weird. Okay, so second round. Hopefully, it's
Give me
way
the
better.
baking soda so I can put some in here. Press this.
Oh gosh, that was a lot. Why does it keep going? No. Ugh, I added so much by accident. This time I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna add the color first.
Okay. Wait, I need to.
I'm gonna use red this time.
Wow, I can't believe it took out the freaking. Wow. It's terrible.
Oh my god.
Let me take this out.
La 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 dee da.
And yours came out so much better. Like, look at that. Like, see, because I have extra freaking stuff here.
The color just made it like clumpy. What?
This has gone wrong. This is slime
gone wrong.
Video today.
Today, slime gone wrong. Extra tries. That's the title. So, yeah.
How am I supposed to mix it
I
now?
don't know.
Right here.
You know you could have just took that out.
Yeah, but it's still gonna have like
Oh.
excess. So I
Oh.
just left it.
Okay. Okay, so my slime looks like this. Red. Now I think I'm gonna add some baking soda. I put a little